Hello, it is Christine Michelle, and I am here to energy shift and lift your vibration. Today, I am answering the viewer questions, Instagram questions about how do I manifest faster? Oh my God, I want to manifest faster, right? I get that question all the time. And this question is specifically for the person that sent me the message and said, I have been trying to manifest this relationship in my life and it is not coming. How do I get him in my bed faster? How do I get him in my life faster? That was the question. Here you go, your answer. I'm going to give you 3 tips to help manifest faster. And before I do, I want to quickly say this. The reason why something isn't in your life is because you are not energetically aligned with it. It's like tuning to that radio channel. You aren't necessarily on that channel yet. You're still on the static. You're still like almost there, and you're just not emitting the vibration of that frequency yet. The only reason why you haven't manifest something is a vibrational reason, and it's not anything that you need to like do, right? I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. No, you have to align vibrationally with whatever you want, and you will start to see it unfold into your life. Aligning with a vibration also has to do with, taking inspired action and doing specific things. But the main thing is you need to align vibrationally with what you want. So these are 3 tips to manifest faster. The tip that you could probably stop and be done with, the first tip is stop waiting for the love that you want. Stop waiting for the money that you want. Stop waiting for this to be whatever you think you're going to feel, right? To feel it now. So in this question, it was all about the relationship. How do I feel? How do I bring this dude? How do I bring him into my life? First, you need to feel love. Feel love for yourself. Feel love for your life. Feel love for everything that you have going on around you. You need to feel it now. You need to be in the vibration of being it right now. So my suggestion for you for a relationship is to feel in love with yourself. Send that love that you want to send to someone else. Really give it to yourself. Be easier on yourself. Actually love and accept yourself as you are now. Speak more kindly to yourself and love you. And then you could also just go around. I had a client that just was going around in love with everything. I told her just be in love with everything. Loving the sky, loving the sun, loving this. Oh, I love my life. I love my couch. I love the way my pillow feels. And just truly feeling love for herself and all of those things around her, and really sitting in that vibration of love now. That is how you're going to attract that person, that connected partner, that divine partner, whatever it is that you want to call it, into your life. You will be aligned with being in love now. Number 2, remove the importance. Stop making this the ultimate. I'm going to feel so good when, oh my God, it's so important for me to have this love. If I don't have it, I'm going to die. Take that out. Remove it. Know that it's that or something way better. It's this situation or something way better. It's this person or something way better. When you take the importance out, you remove the resistance. You reduce the resistance. And the reason why you're not vibrating that is because there's some resistance there. So by removing the importance, realizing that you're okay where you are right now, realizing and loving and accepting where you are right now, appreciating where you are right now, is going to remove that resistance, reduce that resistance to allow your vibration to align, rise up, and energetically align with what you have already manifested, right? In that other reality that you're aligning with. Number 3 is trust. trust and know that it is already done. When you ask, it is done. When you decide that you are receiving this love relationship that you want, it's done and done. When you decide and you say, I am choosing this for me, I've asked for it, universe, God, source, it is done, done, done. You're not creating it, it's already done. You're just aligning with it. You're allowing it to unfold into your life. And once you know that something is done, when you put your order in at the restaurant, you don't go back and try to check and say, oh, like, let me make sure you're making fish for me and not the beef. Let me make sure you're giving me broccoli and not asparagus. No, you don't keep checking on them, making sure that they're doing it right. You trust that you put in your order and it's already on its way. And by you trusting and knowing that it's already done, it is done and done, then you can step into the energy of number one, being it now, feeling it now, having it now, and allowing it to unfold into your life, allowing yourself to align with what does a person who's totally in love feel? What does she think? How does she act? And acting that way right now. So that is it. If you have more questions on how to manifest like magic, I have a Manifest Like Magic series. It goes into the 6 steps of manifesting and really showing you how to manifest. And other than that, if you have more questions, I have these tune-ups. There are tune-ups. You can send a question and I can do the response via email, via video, or via audio. And it's going to be more detailed in getting you step by step. This is what you should do. That's going to help you align with whatever situation, experience, whatever you would like, helping you to shift your energy and raise your vibration. So I'm super excited. I love bringing these videos to you. The next video, we are going to talk about how to have more happiness in your life. There's a viewer question about how do I become more happy? And I am so excited to answer that. Other than that, hugs, kisses, and all the feels. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Put some notes below. Let me know if this resonated with you and how you feel about it. See you later. Bye.